Greetings, beloved followers. Warm, sunny greeting from Spain extended. Today it's 21 degrees. On October 20th, a sunny, spacious, comfortable house awaits you. Let's start reviewing the plot. Plot measures 800 square meters. At the estate, we own an expansive green area, abundant vegetation, and a substantial swimming pool. The primary attribute of this house is its exceptional monetary worth in the real estate market of Costa Blanca, Spain. Grab object, start sprinting. House entrance was behind me. Rear garden. Garage here with pool cover included. No aid, sorry. Verdant space bathed in sunlight. Constant sunshine guaranteed here. Truly stunning. Savor existence. Let's explore a significantly larger garage together. Bathroom exists here. Naturally, it's cluttered. They don't live here, accumulating unnecessary furniture, yet it's not concerning. Garage's second part, when possible. If desired, build a movie theater and a fitness center. The choice is yours. Continuing our review. Please enter within. This 350 meters property features 5 cozy bedrooms, 3 modern bathrooms, 2 full kitchens, and several welcoming living spaces. Guest suites exist on the lower level, hence this. Comprehensive. Let's start with main house ground floor, others later. Lounge area. Incredibly roomy, well lit with terrace access, boasting a sizable, practical fireplace. Suggest watching it all. Leave room, enter terrace, where we behold stunning, breathtaking vistas. Sea's eternal age. Plus a professional card. Spain.Calpe. Won't do it. Much greenery present. Quiet. Sunshine always brings pleasure. Grinning in mid-October. Now let's examine the kitchen. Cookery. Love dwelling in this home. It's vast and roomy. Big window close to workspace. Large, spacious hallway is here. It merges 3 bedrooms and a single bathroom. Bathrooms vast. All bedrooms in this residence are remarkably bright, spacious. Inspect first bedroom. The property boasts a spacious bed, integrated wardrobes, and breathtaking panoramic views. It's displayed on wall. They'd put coals in this container, warming the bed before winter nights. Inspect second bedroom now. He is now here. Unequipped, we'll still demonstrate it. The bathroom window provides a backyard view. Bathroom is remarkably spacious. Too many unnecessary items here. Finally, let's examine the master bedroom collectively. Big main room in home. It's fairly big, bright with a large, spacious closet and an expansive bathroom. Let's observe. House has guest suites, as mentioned. Walk, observe, enjoy. Begin examining our guest quarters. Entering, we'll explore the expansive living room, open concept kitchen. This kitchen, situated further down my hallway, is fully outfitted for cozy living. 2 rooms, 1 bathroom. Propose exploring spa soon. First space. Spacious with built-in closets. Windows overlook outside. In the hall, built-in closets also available. Additional room. Bigger than first. Includes built-in wardrobes. Windows falling out urgent. Rear garden. We shall observe. Towards the restroom. All house bathrooms are large, spacious. About this. Finished reviewing this magnificent residence. The established price is a substantial 560,000 euros. I know you're interested. Contact us, reserve now. Subscribe for reviews. Don't miss out. Until next time. Adios.